The following episode of Dora Gets Grounded was a request.
I am going to destroy a railroad crossing because I don't want any trains anymore. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. That was a really good prank. Now let's hide because I see a train coming.
Oh no. The train is destroyed. And the tracks are also destroyed. Who would do such a thing like this?
Ha 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 ha. I pranked Ghost City. I destroyed the tracks which caused the train to get destroyed. Am I funny or what?
Little girl, how could you do such a thing like that by destroying the train tracks and then destroying the train? You know that is a felony.
That's it. We are calling both the police and your parents. David, go call 911 and tell them we have a little girl who destroyed the train tracks, and I will call her parents.
Sure thing, Michael.
Hello, is this Elena and Miguel Marquez? Your daughter has destroyed the railroad tracks at Go City train station. Please come as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Your parents and the police are on their way.
Put your hands behind your back, young lady. We are taking you to jail. You know your rights.
And to the parents of Dora Marquez, you all are required to pay thousands of dollars in repairs to get these train tracks and the train station fixed. You seriously need to learn how to control your daughter. Dora, get inside the police car now because you're going to jail for a long time.
Dora Anastasia Marquez, what the fuck is wrong with your selfish ass? We now have to pay thousands of dollars in repairs to get the train tracks and the Go City train station fixed because of you, and we don't even have that much money in our bank accounts, and you are so fucking grounded until you and little Bill plan to have an abortion. Now go to sleep right now, you worthless piece of shit.